In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a large video file in Gmail on your laptop or desktop computer. This process is incredibly useful if you find yourself needing to share videos that exceed Gmail's usual attachment limits. We'll be leveraging Google Drive to help us accomplish this task seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Google Drive account. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. There you'll see a button labeled New. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose File Upload. This is where we'll begin the process of uploading your video file to the cloud. Next up, it's time to select your video file. You'll need to locate the video on your computer, and then simply click to upload it to Google Drive. Depending on the size of the video, this might take a moment, so feel free to take a deep breath and relax while it uploads. Once the upload is complete, you're ready to move on to the next step. Open up Gmail in a new tab or window. When you're in, click on Compose to start drafting your email. You'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of this new email window. Among the icons there, find and click on the Google Drive icon. This is usually a triangular shape, and clicking it will allow you to attach files directly from Google Drive. Once you've clicked on the Google Drive icon, a window will pop up displaying your Drive files. Navigate to My Drive and find the video you just uploaded. Click to select your large video file. After selecting your video, you'll see an option to add as link. Click on that, and Gmail will automatically insert a Google Drive link to your video in the body of your email message. This link allows your email recipient to access and view the video without the size constraints of an attachment. Now, with the video linked in your email, you're almost done. Be sure to add the recipient's email address, a relevant subject, and any message you'd like to include. This context is important as it lets the recipient know what to expect when they open the link. Once you're satisfied with your message, go ahead and click Send, and just like that, you've successfully shared a large video file through Gmail. This method ensures that you can share videos without worrying about email size limits or compression that can affect video quality. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.